So, if you're wondering how do you need to connect your Apple Watch to make sure it's fully syncing with your Apple Health on Street Tag, especially if let's say you have an Apple Watch and somehow it's not capturing your Street Tag is not capturing the exact amount on your Apple Watch. Say it's not actually an Apple Watch issue, it's an issue with the Apple Health settings that you have on. So go on Health, then click on Steps. Then in here, scroll all the way down, click on Data Sources and Access. Then scroll all the way down. So you can see where it says Data Sources, and then these have three different options. And underneath it, it says the sources above are allowed to update your steps data. When multiple sources are available, one data source will be chosen based on the priority order listed above. So you actually need to edit this based on what you want to prioritize. So click on the top right button at the top, click on Edit. Then in here, you can actually move it around and you can prioritize what you want your data source to be. So if you have an Apple Watch or whatever it might be, or if you have a Garmin, wherever you've synced, then you need to actually hold down the on the right side, the three buttons. Use that to drag and move it up and down. So if you have a Garmin or whatever you might have data source you have, move it to the top. Make sure you prioritize which one you want. Then click Done at the very top right to save it. Then that should instantly fix your issue and make sure will ensure that your steps are fully synced to your Street Tag. And that would then reflect on here. So you might then want to close it, and then just to make sure it refreshes properly. So that's how to do that. Hopefully this is helpful.